we've had lots of fantastic news about new apps on Canva, but today's video is about the apps that are retiring and that will no longer be available fairly soon. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion, but I do know a way you can still use some of these apps, and I'll show you that when we go across to my Canva design screen. Let's go over to my screen. These are the apps that we're going to be waving goodbye to. The first three apps we're losing are Trippy, Colormix, and Screen. Also going are Paint Effects and Prisma, and Bad TV, Pixelate, and the Adee Vision Simulator. And the Vision Simulator is the reason why I looked into this, as I had a question on my YouTube channel from a subscriber who could no longer find it. And the final group that are going are Liquify, Slice, and Letter Mosaic. They're all going to be disappearing soon. You can still use them now, and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to edit photo. And you'll see all the new tools from Canva here. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll see and that you can still use the old experience. And so if you click there and revert to the old editor, and then click on your image again, click on Edit Image now, and then scroll down, you'll find a lot of these old apps are still there. There's Letter Mosaic, and there's Paint Effects, Bad TV, Colormix, Trippy, Liquify, Pixelate, Screen, Slice, Vision Simulator, and Prisma. Now, I have no idea how long they're going to be there, because when I contacted Canva support, they did say these would be retiring soon. So I thought I'd let you know how you could use them for now, but I'm sure Canva will be coming out with some new and exciting ways to produce amazing designs. But we are going to have to wave goodbye to these ones. I hope you found this useful, and if you want to know when I next record a video where it will be things that are still happening on Canva, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notify bell, and then you'll be alerted. See you next week.